Bitmine Immersion Technologies, also known as BMNR, has once again captured the market's attention as its Ethereum holdings have surged to over $4.9 billion in value, cementing its status as the largest publicly traded Ethereum treasury in the world. The milestone comes amid renewed momentum in the broader crypto market, with Ethereum rallying toward key resistance levels and igniting speculation about BMNR's upside potential. Community discussions are buzzing with bullish projections and aggressive price targets as traders and investors weigh the implications of BMNR's concentrated ETH position. The company's business model, acquiring and holding massive amounts of Ethereum, has drawn frequent comparisons to Bitcoin-treasury strategies like MicroStrategies, though some traders are now also likening BMNR to other crypto equity plays such as SBET, which similarly leveraged a low float and strong crypto narrative for explosive gains. BMNR's relatively small public float has become a key part of the conversation, with many pointing to the possibility of a short squeeze should buying pressure intensify. The combination of a thin float, heavy retail interest, and institutional buzz has made BMNR one of the more volatile and closely watched tickers in the current market. Short interest data is being monitored closely by momentum traders looking for signs of a potential breakout. From a strategic standpoint, BMNR's enormous Ethereum position positions it as a highly leveraged proxy for Ethereum's price movements. This means that during bullish phases in the Ethereum market, BMNR stock can outperform Ethereum itself on a percentage basis, but it also exposes investors to amplified downside risk during pullbacks. While bulls argue that BMNR's Ethereum war chest, market momentum, and low float create the perfect storm for further gains, skeptics point to valuation concerns. With the stock trading at a premium to its net asset value, or NAV, critics caution that the market may be pricing in an overly optimistic Ethereum trajectory, leaving little margin for error if sentiment shifts. Regardless of the debate, BMNR has solidified its place as a battleground stock, a high volatility, high potential play that straddles the line between crypto asset exposure and speculative equity trading. With Ethereum's rally and BMNR's premium both in focus, the coming weeks could prove pivotal in determining whether the current hype turns into a sustained run or a sharp correction.
Yeah, the stock has added yet more gains. This is Monday, the 11th of August. Intraday high $69.8. It has pulled back from those highs. So let's see what we have. We have what do we have to the upside? Nothing to the upside. We don't have anything to the upside on this 4 hour chart. We may have had projections before now. Um, hmm, okay, we might find some projections elsewhere. Yeah, okay. Even on this chart, we may still. What are we talking about? It has. We don't need to find it. Just putting back from not long ago, as of July, it was coming down from the highs of what was that? 100 and something dollars. Nothing to worry about. It has ample room to the upside. Ample room to the upside. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, what are we talking about? We have here beginning before we get there. We have no. Okay, let's see. We have 68.09, 73.05. Okay, that's before we get there. 73.05. Let's see. Here we have, okay, we have 168.38 to 18.18 to 48.94. Yeah. 130.65, 168.38. Okay, we've mentioned those already. 218.18 to 48.94. Uh, okay, funny enough, there's a $4.09 down projection. Yeah, 157.19, 71.02. That's the closest to where it's currently trading 71.02. So yeah, there's enough room to the upside. So buying pressure is so ramped up. Nothing negative here, even though we have a fractional second derivative here, but positive trend mode. Very much in the trend mode. Let's see what we have on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have let's see. Currently, upper projections 131.75, and that's it. Nothing else. 131.75. And the algos were not calculating anything to the downside. Nothing more, nothing. I mean, see, when they stopped calculating anything to the any when they stopped, the algos stopped calculating downward their projections from the 21st. Stopped. The last time we calculated anything to the downside was on the 18th of July. Since that time, since the Monday, the 21st of July, just upside, 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 nothing, 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 nothing to the downside, nothing, nothing. You can't tell me anything, nothing. Yeah, anyway, extrapolation says the strength will remain in place up till Wednesday the 13th, and then after that we might see a distributive correction that will a distributive contraction that is expected to remain in place up till Monday the 8th of September. And then we may get a bounce again. Who knows whether that will be the case? If it does pull back, I'm sure if it does pull back, people may get convinced. They may get convinced if they missed out on this spike. They may get convinced that this is we should just go in. We should just go in this time around. So here, buying pressure is amplified as well. We have negative first derivatives on the 10 and 21 day moving averages. It's either indicating that yeah, it has maybe it has given up some of the strength it picked up. We saw that rejection at 69.80, just to indicate to you that maybe you may not have enough momentum to break beyond $70 or something like that. Yeah, let's have a look and see how liquid this market is. I don't expect it to be that liquid. Let's see, 64 point. This is not where it's trading. It's right, it's trading up here. Don't expect it to be that liquid. Okay, it's not that bad. You can see triple digits here. But aggression surely is behind much of what we're looking at right now, and giving it slow float as well. All of those will just amplify the buying pressure. Let's see what's going on the minute chart, 1 minute chart. So this is what scalpers will be doing. They'll be watching it to see when it's going to go back into the channel, or rather when it comes out of the channel, then it becomes provides a buying opportunity. Okay, so just see what you make of BMNR, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.